When one of the world's largest industrial conglomerates faced mounting pressure from delays, inefficiencies, and over $100 million in operational risk, they needed more than software. They needed transformation. That's where Riddlecore stepped in. Our AI-native platform, powered by the proprietary Avernium engine, embedded intelligent agents directly into their operations. Within 12 months, the results were undeniable: 30 million Canadian dollars in savings, a 25% reduction in equipment downtime, and real-time compliance automation that accelerated legal workflows by over 50%. In logistics, our agents dynamically rerouted fleet operations, cutting cold chain losses by 18%. In energy, they deferred $6.8 million in maintenance costs and prevented 2 major shutdowns in oil and gas, mitigating $12 million in risk. Every action was secure, auditable, and aligned with Canada's most stringent data governance standards. This is more than automation, it's intelligent, agent-led execution at scale. For leaders who don't just want to keep up with change, but command it, Riddlecore delivers the operating system for enterprise resilience.